Hello, Jody. Thank you for your email today. I am responding via video. This is Tristan's page right here, and as you can see, his grade is a 5.5 in image design. If you go under the grades tab, you'll be able to see the progress. My class I have organized by weeks to make it easy to figure out what's going on and where students are at. I noticed that Tristan did jump in week 7 and take this cubism test. May not have been a best effort based on that score. Neither was the orientation quiz. So a week 1 assignment, there's a 0 on there with feedback, meaning that something was submitted. Submitting the work of someone else and pretending that it's your own is plagiarism. So I put the link there. There was a plagiarism submission here, here, and here. So that's the grades tab. If you go into content, this is the orientation, recording, and quiz. So what I recommend for students to do is to right click on orientation and open that link in a new window. If the student can open that in a new window and then size that down. They can read the quiz questions as they are doing this video. So opening up that video. So my goal is to have my quiz and my video open at the same time so that I can find the answers to the quiz.
Hello, welcome latecomers. This is our second live broadcast. So the first thing that I would like all of you to do is to please grab your cell phone and program my phone number into your cell phone question, or if you know that you're going to be...
Okay, so you can kind of get the idea. The first question says, in the orientation, you were instructed to program Mrs. Jarrell's cell phone into your phone so that you can call or text when you need help. What phone number did you program? And it was given right there. So if you continue to kind of go through the video, all of the questions on the quiz are in the same order as what you will find on the video. And that's how I ask students to take all of the quizzes or tests in my class, to open the quiz in a new window, and whatever the material it is, whether it's a video or readings, that they actively take the quiz and do the lesson at the same time, finding the answers instead of guessing, because if you do it that way, then you can get a perfect score. So I'm just going to go ahead and close those out since I don't need them anymore. And next, after the orientation, recording, and quiz, this was my schedule and my contact information. Go to week 1. So as it was in the grade book, how everything was organized in weeks, that's how my class is organized here. So if you go under week 1, my strategy that I recommend for you is that you go through and do any lessons and tests and any critiques, because those don't require you to get into GIMP and submit assignments, but they are worth a lot of points. So once you go into that week 1 folder by clicking on it, click on the week 1 lesson and test, and it tells you to download GIMP. You use GIMP to do the assignments. Okay, so for this lesson and test directions, watch the videos and immerse yourself into the artistic space. So these are a couple of videos that I ask you to watch. It says to right click on the week 1 test and open a new window after that. So right click on that, open a new window, and then it says to open the lesson, learn GIMP in the toolbox. If you click on that at that point and you have your test open in another window, then you can read through and work through any of the activities that are in the lesson and use the arrows to get through it. Notice that there are videos, so you'll have to click and watch some videos in there.
Single window mode. When you open GIMP for the first time, you'll notice that the windows aren't docked, which means that you can move them around. This can cause some problems as you might not be able to see the entire screen.
Okay, so I think you get the idea there. The test, the quiz that I gave you, this is a breadcrumb trail. You can follow it back. So I'm going to go back into the week 1 lesson and test folder. So that test right there is going to be asking questions about what's going on in that video. So you want to make sure that you have that test open in one window, and this lesson with all the videos and other readings and things in there open in another window. Go in order because the test goes in order, right? Skip the assignment. Go to week 2. Do your lesson and test. Read the directions. Do what it tells you to do. Critiques are another thing I want you to do. So there's a video and a quiz. So right click, open the quiz new window, watch the video, pause it as necessary, answer the questions. Find the answers in the content. Week 3, do the lesson and test. Skip the assignment. Week 4, do the critique. Week 5, do the lesson and test. Week 6, skip that assignment. Week 7, do the lesson and test, skip the assignment. Week 8, do the critique. Okay, so that's how you can earn your points. Notice this week it says Happy New Year. What did the mama tomato say to the baby tomato? Catch up. And that's what we're doing this week. So use this week to catch up. All of your assignments are due Sunday, January 8th at midnight. Next week is finals week. So get caught up. Thank you.